Hello everyone, I am here with Maths College Infinity Chapter 1 Squares and Cubes Part 2. So today we will learn about what is square root and finding square root by prime factorization. So first we will learn about square roots. Now we will tell teacher what do you mean by square root? So square root means a number like I am taking 36. For with example I will solve means teach you this. I am taking 36. Okay. So for square root this symbol is used. Okay. You shall remember always this symbol is used. This. Okay. So I will tell you that find square root of this. If any means if in your exam paper this symbol comes, you have to understand that you have to find square root. Okay. So for this, we square root means a number which multiplies itself to make a given number. Like if I will multiply 6 into 6 equals to means 6 in means 6 is raised to the power of 2. Okay, means 6 into 6 equals to 36. So suppose this is a means this number is a is raised to power and the answer is b. Okay, so the if this will be happen, no, so this is called square root and this is called square number. Okay, did you understand? So for 36 I will think and then write that if I will multiply 6 into 6, so then 36 is becoming means I have got that number by multiplying a number by itself, so the square root is 6. Okay, so now we will learn about finding square root. Okay, we will find square root by prime factorization. So now you will tell teacher, we have learned about prime factorization, but how to find square root by this method? So there are means there are change in steps. So don't be confused. The prime factorization you have learned that is correct, but for finding square root there are some changes in the step. So for example, I am taking 25. Okay, now we will convert this into prime factors. Okay, so what are their its factor? 5 into 5. Okay, so now 5 into 5 equals to 25 equals to, now we will make their pairs. If any more number it will be there, you should make their pairs also. We will make 5 into 5 sphere. Okay, now we have made, so you have to take only one number from there. If I will take 36 was 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, so here I will make 2 into 2 pairs into 3 into 3 pairs. So from this only one number should be taken, not both. So I will take only 5. So 25's square root is 5. Okay, and here I will take 2 into 3 because here two pairs are there. Okay, so here square root of 36 is equals to 6 because 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay, now we will solve our exercise. Okay, exercise that is assessment for learning first A. Okay, so the first question is, first question is find the square of following number. So there are given squares. So here we have to find square, okay, and numbers are given, okay. So I will solve first one, A 31. So now to find square, what should be the formula will be applied on this? Any guesses? Yes, we should raise the power of 2. Okay. So now 31 into 31. We will multiply it. So the answer came by multiplying this is 961. Okay, so the square of this 31 is 961. Okay, means 961. Now next question. Now you will tell teacher it is a negative number, how to solve that. So as I told you, in square properties of square, in square number a number is multiplied twice, means it by itself. So like 1 into 1, 2 into 2. Okay, so if there is minus also, minus 2 into minus 2, so minus minus equals to plus, and 2 into 2, 4. So it will be 4 only. So a number has, so if anyone asks you number, means asks a square root of any number, so you should give that. So you should give, means you should give negative and positive of both. Okay. So now we will solve this B question. Okay. So what is B? Minus 15. Now equals to minus 15 into minus 15. Okay. Now 15 into 15. So 15 into 15 equals to 125, and negative plus negative equals to positive. Okay. So now we will solve C question, and that is a fraction. And that is a proper fraction also. Okay. C1 1 upon 7. Now we have to, means we have to write the both square number. Okay, equals to 1, or you can write like this also. Okay, so now we will multiply that 1 into 1 upon 7 into 7. So 1 into 1, 1 upon 49. Okay, so now this is the square number of this proper fraction. Okay, and this is bigger than this. Okay, that was our property of square, no? Now we will solve D1. So now we will solve our D question, that is 2, 3 upon 4. Now you will tell teacher how to solve mixed fraction. So we will convert it into improper or proper fraction. Okay, equals to, so first 2 into 4 plus the numerator. This is the formula, and denominator will be same. Okay, 2 into 4 equals to 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, 11 upon 4. So now 11 upon 4 into 11 into 4. So now I told you proper fractions square number will be always bigger. So its square number will be also always bigger than its. Okay. Now 11 into 11, 1, 2 and its square number. Okay. 4 into 4, 16. So this is the its square number. Okay. Now we will move towards question number 2, and I will solve only 3 questions for examples. Okay, and the rest of the part we will solve in next parts. Okay, now question number 2. So now we will solve question number A of question number 2, 29. So for finding this method, we have also one method given on page number of your books, 13 go easy. Okay, so here they have done that, means any number taken. Okay, for example I am taking 25, so we should minus the odd numbers from consecutive odd numbers from them. Okay, so minus 1 from 25 equals to 24. Okay, like this, minus 3 also from this number, not this number. Okay, 21 minus 5 equals 16, and then 16 minus 7 equals 11, 11 minus 9 equals 11 minus 9 equals 2. So now 9 from 9 minus 9 equals 0. So if at last a 0 is coming, then only it is a perfect square number. Okay. So now we will try this method on this question, and rest of all I will give you in means in next part. Okay. Or else I will comment it and you have to note it down. Okay. Now 29. 29 minus 1 equals 28. 28 minus 3 equals 25. 25 minus 5 equals 20. 20 minus 7 equals 13. 13 minus 9 equals 4, and then after 9 11 is coming, and from 4 if I will minus 11, so minus will answer come and it is 7. So here is not coming 0, so this is not a perfect number. Okay, I have gave you example of 25 also. Okay, so thank you for watching video. Like, share, and please like, share and subscribe, and be connected with me for the next part. Thank you.